What's up, guys? It's Frog Kingdom. Today we are playing Roblox. Today we are playing Roblox because I am bored. So we're playing one of the classic games in Roblox, the normal elevator. Well, that was unexpected. It's Moto.
No one cares.
And what happened to this dude? And shut up. Oh, guys, this is my cousin saying no one cares.
Does nobody do?
Bless it by drag.
Be quiet. That's why I'm eating. That's why I'm trying to make my thighs bigger. That's why I'm making my thighs bigger, and it's an optical illusion. When you lose your name, you'll just complete darkness and die. Sorry, guys, I got ahead of myself. My thighs my muscles will look bigger, but my
God!
are so.
Get in! How do we get in?
Well, good for you.
Oh.
Yours is not affected by the flames.
Because it's his plate.
Where did it go?
You hit him. I returned him so quickly.
I'm flexing on y'all.
Where is my...
I hear it, I think.
I'm flexing on y'all newbies.
So it's not dead.
Oh, I see smoke.
Good thing I reset, because I was gonna die anyways.
Oh, I see smoke.
Under me. Alright, I don't care. Wait. 273. 273.
Why did it burst into flames?
Guys, I think this is a code. 7923.
Did you find her?
I don't see her.
Wait. Oh no.
Oh, I see her wing.
Wait, guys.
She's okay?
Yeah, she's
You
okay.
remember how the old one had a
by
code?
it.
I think this one. Wait. 27.
She crawls back into the wreckage.
Guys, I think it was be 2793 or 2739.
It turned into ash.
Alright, guys, let's go to the old one.
Lectern. It burnt the
Alright, we're gonna go to the old one and see if we can find a code.
Oh, the
See if we can find the code. But
It just crawls out of here.
alright, guys, I think I found the code.
Let's
hope to God the ritual is over now, because
I shall call her Ember. She was born from the flame.
The egg didn't work.
Incorrect.
That zombie ruined the ritual. And the dragon just said, die!
Incorrect.
We know it has flames now.
Right.
Yes, we do.
Guys, comment down below if you know what the code is for this.
This is the nest.
Because I don't know, and I really want to know what's down here.
He just destroyed this place.
Guys, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, guys, so I didn't find the code. I did millions and billions, and now I'm 80 years old. And none of the world.
He's destructive.
Let's see.
But he's
Robloxian 261401390.
He hasn't made himself his own nest.
Hey there, are you okay? I don't think he's okay. Oh well, time to bring someone other than me. Alright, you're coming with us. Alright, get in. Corona 97, you're coming with us.
No, you're not.
What happened?
You realize he's 2 now, right? He's 2.
Oh, hey there.
He's age 2, and he turned an entire shack into ash in a matter of seconds.
Well, when you call it a shack, you don't make it sound as very impressive as it is.
Guys, for the music, just listen to my cousin and my brother.
House.
A building.
He turned an entire building into ash in a matter of seconds.
Not even the entire thing, just bits, but This is still. I'm just using the charred bits, and I'm just using it for the walls now.
It's like I can't.
Alright, guys. I'm here.
I'll just pick up these blocks.
I have
Oh, they act like gravel. I didn't know.
I'm special.
Turned it to.
Wham. If you guys want me to do a more reaction,
Okay.
a reaction video, I know I did one like a long time ago. But if you guys want me to do another one, then comment down below if you want me to do another reaction
I'm trying
video.
to set the thing up now because this is the blocks for it.
Let's see what I can buy. I know I can buy things. I'm gonna buy a spin. What's this? Guys, I forgot what this does.
Oh, you're saying I'm still holding it like this.
Did you set her out?
Oh, I got
The
buff
games
arms
that I set it out, but I think my
now.
game's
Boom, boom, punch.
And I'll do it.
SpongeBob always misses his bus. Oh
Really
heck,
walking
turn
by
it
like,
on.
What happened?
And like actually looking at the wall too, like what?
I don't feel like going down there because
Your
I
dragon is stage
forgot
2,
what to
and
down
it's
there. I never was down there. So
It's gonna be
guys,
fun when it becomes stage 5.
going to
I
destroy
might make a
entire
group.
village.
I might make a group. That's a might. I might make a
The
group.
stone here is turned
And
charred. Even areas that were blocked around have been turned charred.
and y'all can join the group, and sometimes I'll get y'all to oh hi Slender Man, how you doing? It's long time no see.
Remember when you could do this?
Oh sure guys, long time no see.
I don't remember your
Guys,
dragon
I don't remember
destroying
playing
stuff
this
like
game
this.
because I know it's stuff. I just making sure nobody's
I
looking
remember
at me.
that your thing decided to attack something as soon as you
Alright guys, I'm just gonna stop and
Your dragon's mother was red.
listen to the message.
Wait, was your dragon's mother red? Yeah, your dragon's mother was red.
Read.
We fought a great.
Alright, I'm gonna
I'm
get
just
to
take
up
this charred grass.
on. Sorry if you were eating.
Anything charred, use it for
To be honest, like, not to be gross or anything, but to be honest, why does he have so much throw up?
the wall.
Mine kind of.
You don't need to know, Kamari.
Mine kind of looks like the cockatrice, the male cockatrice.
Huh?
Mine kind of looks like the male cockatrice.
We have no Racco here. Speak. No, seriously.
Yes, I see that.
This is
No,
the
no,
nest.
seriously.
They destroyed
What
it
is it?
and made. They destroyed it and made it their home.
What the? Oh,
Put her
sorry. I definitely wasn't doing nothing suspicious. Let me out. There's no way to get out except for the elevator, but I'm going back in because I don't feel.
The doors were destroyed.
They
My hair
turned
itches.
the door into ash.
But
I'm just like,
I am gonna buy something, but I probably don't have to do
and
it.
I just look, and I just hear fire, and I'm like, what's that? And then I turn, and well, then I actually look up,
Who?
and my dragon, I already knew it was my dragon, but freaking demolished. Oh, make the dragon.
Hey
back.
guys, this is the end of the video. Please leave a comment down below if you want more Roblox videos. And goodbye.
We're just like some.
BJ, I
Yeah.
want you to be prepared for what might happen.
I'm scared. I was like, how did my dragon survive that?
But I was thinking, I was like, please don't tell me it died as soon as it was born. It's nighttime, so it should be asleep.
Bye.